Rick, thank you very much for joining our video series with Global System Integrators and Management Consulting. And I welcome you to LiveWorks, and thank you for your sponsorship of this partnership.
It's been a successful partnership for us. I mean, we saw early that we needed to get into the industrial IoT space. Yeah. Like many of the partners we heard in the forum, we did a search on who would be the best partner to work with. Yeah. And we were in that traditional MES space looking for a way to kind of broaden our capabilities and really take advantage of the potential business outcomes on the positive side we could do to get with customers. And PTC was the partner we selected, and it's been a good relationship so far. What makes us different, I think, is the fact that we understand the factory, right? We're one of those subject matter expertise companies that has deep context about what goes on a factory floor and where are the areas to be automated, what other things need to be connected. We were in the control space for 26 years and now in the MES space, and all that seems to be converging into the IoT space. So we're not afraid to get our hands dirty. Our solutions have to fit into anything, right? You're going to have to go into an environment that may have a control, might have Rockwell PLCs that are old, it may have Siemens PLCs. I mean, you're going to have to go in and fit into that environment. Yeah. And then you'll have to fit into new stuff. The two things that I hear most of is that people want more automation, not less. They want to actually take it, change management of the people's probably number one or number two issue. Yeah. And then they need to bring more data into their business. So, whether that's through blockchain but as I bring in raw materials, I need to track the lineage of that in a much more effective way. We have some manufacturers that will manufacture something part way and then send it somewhere else for manufacturing and then bring it back. And if that lineage is off, somehow they miss out. So there's not less data about that process, there's more data coming in. So they need help with that. Yeah. So they need that, not only the merger of the IoT and the operational technology, but the technology itself. And then I would say that always in their agenda is, what do I do with this data? So I know PTC is invested in a bunch of analytics as well. We're actually right along that as well. We think that if you look at the analytical insights that come out there, the business outcomes, there's about, I think, $500 billion of potential new improvements that can be made, whether it's better operations, more efficiency, higher quality products, new products. I think there's another almost $500 billion on new products from this data. So I think people are just, as they add this new data, they're struggling. What do I do with it? So I think together we can actually start to, help them with those insights and help them with those analytical opportunities.